Hi everybody, this is Shane again. Today, for the first time, I am planning on making my own mayonnaise. This should be like a really quick and simple process. I've done a little bit of research on it, but as I mentioned, this is my first attempt. So not only am I going to make mayonnaise, but I'm actually going to make spicy mayo. So uh, let's get started. First of all, we start with an egg. The egg is at room temperature, and the next little bit up is we are going to put in a little bit of mustard. Okay. Next, followed by a little bit of salt. And a little bit of sugar. Now the other thing, I'm going to add some lemon juice. Now I don't have any fresh lemons, so I'm just going to use this little bottle of lemon juice. Okay. Some hot sauce. That should make it nice and spicy. And last but not least, you're going to put in some oil. Now I'm just going to use some vegetable oil because it's nice and neutral in flavor. Now, I'm not sure how many of you know, but mayonnaise, main ingredient is actually oil. So we're going to use quite a bit of it here. Now this next part is going to get a little bit loud because I am going to use my immersion blender. Okay, so the important thing, as I've been told, is to put the blender right over the yolk at the bottom of the container. I don't know how well you can see that there, but once the bottom starts to get like a mayonnaise-like color and consistency, this has to start to lift it slowly towards the top to make sure that you get a good emulsion on it. Okay, I'm just gonna I think that actually turned out. Not quite as spicy as I'd like it, but I can always adjust that later. That's not that big of a deal, but it looks like is that easy to make mayonnaise. So I'm actually going to follow this up with other videos. This was step one. In the meantime, be good to yourself and others.